Did Pat sip his cup of hot milk? Sam left his damp vest on his bed. Ask Mum if I can get a drop of milk. Dan put a belt on his big red pants. Fred has a hump and a lisp. Tom has a cup in his hand. Tom has milk in it. Tom is fond of milk. Tom can gulp the milk. Tom can sip it. Tom can lift up his cup. The milk is at the rim of the cup. The milkman left the milk on the top step. Sam is the milkman. Tom is fond of Sam. Sam is fond of him. The milkman has a van. The van is red. Tom got a spin in Sam's red van. The red van went fast. Sam and Tom had fun in the van. Tom's mum is not glad. Tom's mum is mad.